Larry Bird or Luca?
Y'all are actually out of your mind, bro. Larry Bird, he mentally tough from anybody, bro.
Jordan or LeBron?
I don't know. Yeah, Jordan.
Iverson or Kyrie?
Big, can I step off screen?
For Iverson?
Off screen. What the? You suck, you suck, you suck, you suck.
Basketball casual has no idea what he's doing.
Let's go, AI.
No idea what he's doing.
Caitlin Clark or Paige Beckers?
Eastern Conference or Western Conference?
I'm from Georgia. I got some love. I got it.
Tatum or Shea?
Bird or Magic?
Magic got clean blood now. Magic got clean blood. Bird's the best of all time.
Curry or Magic Johnson?